found this really cool beetle actually. Here we go. Okay, don't fly away. Ooh, what a pretty colour. Wow. Stop running away from me. Come on. Well, I had a spider last night. I filmed that for you guys. Oh, it's a beautiful beetle, isn't it? Just look at the colours. I mean, you're probably all thinking it's a very common beetle, and it probably is, but isn't it pretty? Anyway. Wow. I don't know what it is, everyone, so if anyone in the comments wants to tell me what it is, feel free to comment. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.